Hello guys, welcome back to another video. I've come to know about something and that Facebook actually tracks all your activity on the internet. That includes all the apps you use, all the banks you use, and the games you play, and other various things that you do on the internet. So these days, there has been a lot of talk among people that the social media apps have been continuously invading the privacy of a person and have been tracking their activity on the web. So today I'm going to be making a tutorial on how to clear your history and stop Facebook from tracking your web activity in the future. So first of all, open Facebook. So as soon as Facebook opens, go and click on the three bars at the end, as you can see here. After you click on the three bars, scroll down and click on settings and privacy. After you have clicked on settings and privacy, click on the settings. After settings have opened, scroll down to the your Facebook information and click on off Facebook activity. From here we will turn off the off Facebook activity option. As you can see, off Facebook activity has tracked a lot of apps, for example Hotstar, the games, and other apps. So now click on clear history, and then as you can see, and then there'll be a blue option at the end called clear history. Click on clear history. So as soon as the activity has been cleared, click on more options and click on manage future activity. Click on the bottom manage future activity, and then click on future of Facebook activity. As you can see, this will now turn off feature of Facebook activity, and now we will click on turn off. Now of Facebook activity has been turned off, and Facebook will no longer be able to track what you're doing on the internet and all the apps you're using. So this was the tutorial. Remember to like and subscribe for more similar content like this. Goodbye.